any job during tear-off is a nightmare. There's just stuff everywhere. There's material everywhere. It's going to land on the stairs, on the porches, in the mulch, in the bushes, on the driveway, in the parking spots. So one of the very first things we do when we get here is we stage the job. And that is, we'll put up caution tape, we put out cones, we put up safety fencing in some cases. The whole point of that is to communicate the message, you are entering a job site. Be careful, there's stuff going on. It's supposed to look chaotic. I'll have different colored cones set out, I'll have tape in just the weirdest places. And it's important here because many of these families don't speak English as a first language, so communication may not be there verbally. So if I can visually communicate to them, be careful coming out of here, that's what's most important. After the safety thing is taken off, the next step of a job is getting material. We've got a long roof here, and to make it easier on the guys, we don't want to have all the material at one spot, and then they've got to sludge it on their shoulders and carry it all the way down. So instead, we evenly spread it out throughout, and they'll load it up on the shingle ladders as we go. And then after all that is set in place, area staged, material is here, trailers are nearby the roof so they can get it safely there, the debris, they start roofing. And the first part of roofing is tear off, and that's what they're doing right now. Later this afternoon, they'll be putting felt down to dry that roof in, and then to finish up, they'll put the shingles down.